welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing my fall porch clean and decorate with me for my screen porch. So last week I showed you guys my fall front porch, and this week I'm going to be showing you my screen porch. So if you want to see how I decorated my screen porch, then just stay tuned. Also, if you are new to my channel, I'm Callie, welcome, and I do a lot of home decor tours, some homemaking, some cleaning. So if you like that kind of thing, then definitely subscribe down below. Also, if you like these kinds of videos, give it a big thumbs up, and I hope the wind noise is not too bad out here, or these gunshots that you hear. I do live kind of out in the country, so it just kind of is what it is with the gunshots. I also am sitting on my screen porch, so it is a little bit windy out here because the weather is finally starting to change and I love it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started on this screen porch fall clean and decorate with me. Alright, so this is what my screen porch looked like to start. I had taken down all of my summer decorations and put them in a bin to go down to the basement, and I really just needed to kind of straighten up out here and clean some of the tables off before I brought out all of my fall decorations. So then I'm going to move over here to these little tabletops. My husband built these, and I get asked a lot how he did it and what he used and all of that kind of stuff. I really have no clue. He does a lot of woodworking, and I said I want some bar top tables to go out here on our screen porch so we can have somewhere to sit and eat. And he just went down in our basement and came back up with them later that evening. And so I really don't have dimensions. I know a lot of people ask me that, so I'm sorry. I really just don't know. But I'm just going to go ahead and clean these off, and then I'm going to work on cleaning the bar stools below them as well. Alright, so then I'm moving over here to our little bar cart, and I'm just going to wipe it down. Whoops, one of my decorations fell off. But I'm just going to wipe it down, and then I'm going to move over to the door to our screen porch that goes out to our deck. So our screen porch is, I guess, technically a 3-season room. So we have these little inserts that go in front of the screen that you can take on and off, and they slide up and protect you from like storms, or when it's cold outside in the winter, we have them up so that we can still be out on our porch and enjoy it. But during the summer, since we're out here so much, and during the fall and spring, I don't keep them out just because they obstruct our view and they do get really dirty. So once a year we clean them. But during the warmer months, I don't keep them out here. I just take them off. But over here on the door, I do keep these up just because they're not really that big of a deal. And I needed to clean them because they were a little bit dirty, and then I'm going to move on to vacuuming. Alright, so now on to the fun part. I am going to start my decorating, and the first thing that I'm going to do is just throw a couple pillows on the couch out here, and then I'm going to throw a little blanket over it, and then I'll move on to decorating my coffee table. So I wanted to keep the colors that I already had out here for fall. So my rug does have navy accents in it. So I just went ahead and spray painted this tray that I had. I can use it all year long, so it wasn't really just spray painted for this video. And then I thought I'd just throw in some pops of orange for fall. I love just bringing in color, so I got these maple leaves at Joann's, and I'm just going to work on decorating this tray. I did throw a few items in the tray and then I didn't like them, and I came back in later and swapped them out for some other things, but I really just have to play around and, you know, walk back and look at it and then try some other things that I think might look good. And so that's what I'm going to do here for finishing this tray. Okay, so then I'm going to add just a few more decor pieces. This little easel I love, and later on I'm going to bring in some mums to put beside it as well. You'll see that at the end when I give you like a little tour. And then I'm just going to throw some placemats down on these bar top tables to kind of match in with the black accents. And then I'm going to give you guys a full tour of how it turned out. Okay, so this is how my screen porch turned out. This is what it would look like if you walked out from our dining room onto our screen porch. I'll also show you guys a close-up of each little section as well, but I'm in love with the way that it turned out. I can't wait to snuggle up out here and watch the leaves change and have a cup of coffee in the mornings with a good book or a glass of wine at night. And I just absolutely love sitting out here. It's so cozy. I love it. Also, I just wanted to say thank you guys for all of your support on my videos, and if you aren't already subscribed, definitely don't forget to do that as well. And I would love to connect with you guys on Instagram. I'll leave my handle on the screen here, and definitely tag me in your home decor posts. I would love to see what you guys are doing, as well as get some inspiration as well. So don't forget to check me out on Instagram. And let's finish up this tour, and I'll show you guys how every little section turned out. Alright guys, so that is going to wrap up this video. I hope you really enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you are new. I would love to have you, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.